No, after that, why division bench? It was remanded to the honorable division bench.
It was demolition order was passed. That has been challenged because if it is demolition order without having a sanction plan, the students will be on the street. On that
No,
one,
I could not follow.
there is a after the order of the Supreme Court, demolition order was passed
No, you constructed a building
without
without plan.
sanction. Demolition order passed
By the read court.
by the authority.
Yes, thereafter
We
challenge.
challenge that, and the ultimate order in the challenge is page 106. But I repeat, my lord, is rightly order of demolition passed.
चलो सही हो रहा है